How to sign out of your Google account on Android. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video I'll be showing you how you can easily sign out from your Google account on Android. So first thing, simply open up your Gmail account or Gmail app on your Android. So once you're inside here, just click on this hamburger icon at the top left, and once you click on it, just scroll all the way down until you see the settings option. So from over here you'll be seeing all of your Gmail account that has been linked to this device. So to sign out of your Google account particularly, so just I will just select a particular Google account from over here. So let me just select this one. Once I select a particular Gmail account from over here, what I will do is just click on this three dot icon over at the top right corner and just click on manage account from there, and again you will be seeing all of your accounts. So in my case I have multiple accounts. In your case it might be only your account, one account. So just click on that account particularly and just click on this remove account, which will successfully sign you out from your Google account since it's no longer on your device. So that is exactly how you can easily sign out of your Google account on your Android device. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.